Quick video on how to do the results from the PNG. So first thing I wanted to show you is under Edit Meet Setup that this is in fact a road race, and that is only one event per person. There only is one event set up, so that should be not an issue. We'll click OK. You can just click OK again. Then let's make the assumption that everyone has been entered in and uploaded into Easy Meet, and you're ready to do results. Okay, so the first thing you would do, just like the Bay Ridge Road race, is you would, that would say first, and then you would enter the bib number, and you'd be able to hit enter until you have everyone in. At the end, anyone who is left, you see here that I probably just deleted them later, but you likely will have a number of runners who didn't finish or you don't have results for. Instead of just type DNS in there for did not start, and that will remove them later. Then you can obviously upload the times from one of the watches, and then once you have everything set, what I will point out to you are a couple things. The age categories are already entered into the meet, and I'll show you what those are in a second. But this race asks for a list probably of all the finishes first to last, which we'll show you how to do in a second, and then age category results, which pull out the top 3 overall men and women. So for example, in this, you can ignore that. You'll notice that here I've marked as exhibition the top 3 men and then the top 3 women. And I've just checked these little boxes here. And so what I'm going to do is, once this gets out of the way here, close that up. I'm going to escape out of this, but please make sure before you escape that everybody needs to have a result. If you escape it, then it could reset for you. You don't have to start over. So just make sure everyone has either like a place and an official uploaded time, or you've got DNS beside all the other bibs that are listed later on. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of here. And then I'm going to go to Meet Results. And so first of all, I'm going to do show the results by time. So that's first to last. But because I've noted that some runners are exhibition, because I want them removed later from the age category results, I got to make sure that I keep them in for now. Because if I don't check that box, anybody with an exhibition, like your first men and the first 3 women, are not going to show up in your overall results by time. So if I print preview this, I know that Jake won the race, so let's just see here what it says. Yep, Jake Lassard. Those are the top 3 men, and then the top 3 women. This doesn't show gender, but I can put that on later. And then the top 3 women: Julie, Shelley, and Lindsay. Those are your top 3 females. So if I close this, and one thing I'll say is, so Jake Lassard, 15-year-old, he won the race. So when I do age category results, I should not see Jake Lassard in the 15 to 19 age category because he's been marked as exhibition. So let's see if that's true. Close this. We'll now show the results by age and sex. So that's by male, female, and then by what age they are. And if I go to print preview, you'll see now it's sorted them. And one thing that I usually do is get someone to take a quick peek to make sure that those are girls' names or women's names. And then when we get to the boys, that those are all boys' names. So you'll notice right now that Jake Lassard is still showing up in that 15 age group. And so what it means is I probably didn't escape all the way out. So if I close this again, escape out of here again, go back to Meet Results. It's actually kind of good that you saw that error because it gives you an idea of what to do is if it hasn't pulled them out. And sometimes I just toggle it back. Okay, I don't, that's the problem, is that I had the exhibition thing clicked and I don't want to actually see Jake. So let's take Jake out, all the exhibition people out. Hit print preview. I'll go to the end. Oops, actually now it's one further. I'll scroll down, and in the 15 to 19, you'll see that Justin Bryce is now the first place because I've taken the top 3 out. So that's how you get your age category results. And then the other thing they'll want then is just a list of who your top 3 runners are. And so one way to do that is I just go back here to by time. I include my exhibition runners. I print preview. I'll just print page 1, and I just highlight the 3 names for them. I use a highlighter: Jake, Andrew, Ian, and then Julie, Lindsay, and Shelley. Are your top 3 overall women. So that's how you do it. I'll just show you really quickly where those age categories live. I'll just escape out of here. So if we go to events, click OK, and you'll see how I've created a mixed 5K run. Over here, if I go set road race age groups, ready to set the divisions, yes. Will they all be the same in all your events? Yes. Yes, just keep hitting OK. You'll notice that here are the age groups. It's really important that you're not missing one. So if this says 1 to 9, and this said 11 to 14, and you were missing 10, and someone was 10 years old in your results, it would crash the whole system. And it would take you forever to figure out what the error was. So I always make sure I really check these really carefully to make sure that these are correct. Anybody without, what I also normally do is I'll change this to 98. And then I will make a 99 to 99 category. And anybody who I don't know whose age they are, I make 99. And so later when I do the age group categories, I just look in that to see who I might be missing for a correct age group. And you might come up with an athlete missing an age group when they enter, give you the entry form and there's no age on it, and you just can't find that athlete. But if you do get someone without an age, like bib 221 with no age, then just make a list and Tim can look for that person at the start line as well. Okay, so I'll just escape out of here. Okay, okay, yep, okay, okay. All right, and that's basically all you need to know for now.